So today we will be going over what is the advantage of having a mortgage broker. We have Dylan Bird on today, and he will be explaining a little bit more about what the advantages are of having a mortgage broker.
Thank you so much for having me, Will. It continues to be a pleasure working with you. And this is a really good question too, right? Is what is an independent mortgage broker and why do I want to work with them? And really, it's important to understand the three main channels of getting a loan. Okay. First channel is a bank. Okay, referred to as big banks. They are depository banks. That's your Wells Fargo, your Chase, your Bank of America, right? You deposit money with them. They do investments, they do accounts, they do checking, savings, all these things. And they also happen to do mortgages, right? They have general standard loan options. The downside is that they're very conservative on their underwriting, making it more difficult to qualify. They also, and you might hear this by speaking with other folks and hearing their experience, they tend to have really inefficient systems, which lead to less than ideal experiences. So I'll leave it at that. Next category is a non-bank, a non-depository bank, also typically referred to as a mortgage bank. Okay, that is your Guild or Caliber Home Loans or Fairway Mortgage. Okay, all of this, they're great at what they do because all they do is mortgages, right? They're not handling checking, savings, investments, all these other things. They have a high level of service and they got much wide variety of products available, more than a big bank. Okay. The downside here is that they have margins built into their cost and their rates, which helps cover their expenses, right? Their overhead. They have a branch manager, they have a sales manager, they have a regional manager, and everyone gets a piece of that pie. Okay. A dependable and reputable mortgage broker, on the other hand, right? Just like a good real estate broker, we create a relationship of trust and reliability. And we're able to offer top-notch service with excellent price, transparency, and the widest variety of products available. And the best thing about all of that is by being an independent mortgage broker, I don't represent any one company. I'm here to represent the individuals and the families that we work with by shopping through the wholesale lending market. I rate shop like a pro, which gives you the advantage, right, of having the best price, the best product, and the best service. So check, check, check.
Yeah. And one thing I do want to add on to this as well is the fact that customer service comes in the sense of being able to actually talk to you about your finances and really understand and be educated on the fact of how much is my monthly mortgage payment going to be? What is the amount of money I need to be coming for the down payment and closing costs? And really being able to communicate on an effective manner and being able to be responsive. One of the things that is fantastic communication wise with Dylan is that he is able to reach out to me, or I'm able to reach out to him, especially when we're making offers and having to adjust that pre-approval letter and making sure that financially speaking, it works for you, the client. So having those advantages of wonderful customer service and education is one of those things that really sets Dylan apart.
Exactly. And for you and I both, right? You and I love what we do and we do what we love. And again, that comes in the form of educating the families we work with to help them be as prepared as they can be to know all that they need to know about the loan, all things financial, so that they can make the best buying decisions and be prepared and acquainted with the process, while having fun every step along the way too.
Yeah, that's true. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Dylan. Where can people reach you if they want to get a hold of you?
Folks can, call, text, email me anytime. I'll be there for them. Call and text is definitely the quickest way. And that my phone number is 503-477-0110. And that is my cell phone. I'm available pretty much 24/7, 365 days out of the year. So feel free to reach out anytime and I'll be here for you.
Awesome. And I'll make sure to put that contact information somewhere in the description here. And thank you so much for watching.